As APC for Edo, they build momentum towards the August 16, 2025 by-election for Ovia Federal Constituency, Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Dennis Idausa don lead the All Progressive Congress APC campaign team waka for grassroots rally for Uhere, Isiuwa NIFOR community, Okokhuo and Isiuwa. The campaign now to support APC House of Reps candidate Omosede Igbinedion. The waka aim na to gather better support for Omosede and to remind people say make them come and vote well and make them stand united for the party before the election. When they waka go the different communities, the campaign team reason with the people wella, ginger them and come chook mouth on top how important the election be, say wetin dem dey do no be just ordinary campaign but na test to show say dem get political power and chance wey fit bring better development come the area. Dem yarn the people say make dem not see am like just another election but like opportunity wey go show whether the community ready to get federal help and benefit. Honorable Charity Amayevu, wey be the Director General for Omosede Campaign Council, come salute the leaders and supporters, say dem dey show better support and come encourage dem make dem put more effort for grassroots mobilization, talk to neighbors and house-to-house campaign. He come talk say if dem keep the energy like this, dem fit get 98% success and come also beg dem make dem see this by-election as everybody work.
We are here for a simple reason. And that reason is just to thank you in anticipation of what is going to happen on the 16th of August. Because we know Omosede Abuja direct is a done deal. Is it not so? When you see this number of people, you know victory is assured. I have also been reliably informed that there are a lot of the campees, our brothers that went to somewhere before that is coming back home that will join us today. And when you start seeing people coming en masse to join you, you know that APC is waxing stronger and stronger, and yes, everywhere is not an exception. All these are happening because we have a dynamic president in the person of Isiuwa Bola Tinubu. We also have a governor, which we all know as Akpako Rescue, Akpako Miracle.
Yes, sir.
Everything in 9 months is turning around in Edo State. Is it not true?
Yes, sir.
So when we are going to have President APC, Governor APC, supported by our able, dynamic, loyal Deputy Governor, who was the Christian Mr. Project, working side by side with the Governor, Council Chairman APC. Are we going to leave the House of Rep for opposition? So on the 16th, the only thing we are going to do when we leave here now is to make sure we go from door to door, village to village, unit to unit, to tell our brothers that are not here today that it's only one party we now have in Nigeria and we have in Edo State, and that party is APC. Let them not waste their votes. In fact, what we are trying to wait for by Saturday is the percentage of winning. I have taken commitment on your behalf before the governor that in this election we are going to record 98% success in terms of number of voters that will vote for Barrister Omosede and APC in this election. So I'm only coming here to beg you so that that number will reflect the commitment I'm taking on behalf of Uhere Ward.
We not come campaign here. Now just to say thank you, thank you. Let me say we have never lost the Isiuwa Ward before, and God forbid this one will be the election we will do for Isiuwa. Let me say, as long as one Mr. Project is leaving, another person that will enter will be Madam Project. And by the grace of God, as you have seen the the handwork of Mr. Project in Isiuwa ward, you will also see the handwork of Project in Madam Project's tenure. So make on the 16th of August, go back to your houses. Every unit, every community that is Isiuwa ward, they must know that it's only one party. Only one party, and that party is APC. Let nobody waste their votes. All vote must go to APC.
Deputy Governor Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa for in talk remind everybody say this election not be just ordinary vote but a serious declaration of power. Say the administration don't promise 2.5 million votes give President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the journey to fulfill them start from Ovia Federal Constituency. It come challenge the people, make them deliver nothing less than 70 to 72% votes give APC. Say now that kind of result they bring reward. Sake of say development they follow loyalty and delivery.
Uhere ward, there be my in-law.
Now so.
Have you not remember? Now daughter not there for my house. So I don't need to come here and speak grammar to you. The reason why we're here today is because of my sister, Right Honorable Omosede Igbinedion. All of us agree, say may she go represent us for the next election. I know here people on that day, they were very, very present. And we don't see agree. Say this by-election where they come. We don't want one PDP for this Uhere ward. We know say one of the person where they give PDP small support now from this ward. But I want to tell them that today, say from the federal to the state, to the local government, to the ward, and to the unit, is all APC. And the executive governor of our dear state and principal, he don't talk and say, by the grace of God and with your support, say we will give Isiuwa 2.5 million votes. And that thing, now, this is state now we want starting. Because though when not when they worry, so we allow this time, this election, this is not a normal election. This is an election to show capacity. And the result wanna give Omosede and APC now take gain the dividends of democracy. We not go use Peter to rob. Now they hear me? We not go rob Peter to pay Paul. The result wanna bring come. Now we go take do projects and development for Uhere. And I know say Uhere people, we don't make up our mind to deliver Omosede. Have you not been so? Uhere will be for Omosede. No be the winning with the talk. Now the margin of winning. Now we let me continue. If not, we've always said only Omosede may come talk to Uhere. But all of us come now because we know say out of the total registered voters waiting for Uhere, we need minimum of 70% for Omosede Igbinedion. No be what una wait here we come talk to. Now the work una go do before that election day. Because na serious election. If your husband not join you campaign for the next 10 days before election, may you not let her touch you when that good. Women are here! My God don't laugh. I'm not talking to your wife. Before I enter trouble, my God will say, you dey tell my wife say, I'm not talking like that. Watch your mouth. Your wife not there, don't worry, you are safe. So our people, we know say una go deliver APC, una go deliver Honorable Omosede Igbinedion.
And so we are not here to come and campaign. We are here to introduce your daughter to you. And we know by the grace of God, on the 16th of this month, Omosede Igbinedion under the platform of APC will have nothing less than 72% of the total registered votes. Based on that, I went to Uhere the first day of our campaign, and I made a pledge that the ward that will produce the highest number of votes and units will give that ward 10 million naira. Isiuwa, are you ready to win that money? So our Westward will win that money that day. We go back to our Westward will defeat Isiuwa that day. Told me that she will win that money on that day. Isiuwa, are you ready?
Omani malele re na be ti so awon. Oh, you are Honorable Ibrela Omosede Igbinedion. Before now, Moka represented Uhere House of Reps. And if now a Bamata Yari Wani, a Govunor Baseki, or a Govunor for 8 years. Ethiopia. Emi is a nyo. Abigaba is a Belimima war. Wana be baby a governor on the Robaseki. Omakonye. No one not doing why I'm not selling that. Oh man, no one una mwenye Oemine no kekewo no ya no unewo megegele lo mahia ye wo Omosede kwemike mi no ri asunu megawu Omosede wu council chairman wu Okokhuo bena Gwana, the governor of Edo State through a super deck here we married Ethiopia. And the governor na arriba ho basadi who in Malare now usweni one a party man distinguished senator Uhere or Ukona Ethiopia when the PDP Latvian here and tell Mobania the word enough for so they not John way up one bang okay we anagele mi ọmọ no yari ebe yi PDP egbe ti we wo na ewo di na ai o yan ba mo no se ni na time APC ima mu egbe ni ma ya ko sa kwa gbo ba no nya jo to le jo na yi enu wa taba we upa ma nya enjoy be do kwesi we condition amiewe eri ma bi man or Okokhuo ya mo e no ba ni here a government APC na wa he worry wa ke zebe the government of Baseki for 4 years wa mo pa ni madala na ba ma e court ifona and ya so wa ya gbe no a governor kwa and they will not take it magawe but a voting wa mula ya Okokhuo or can say ma really we so ba fi o ni mama we fi wo wa
Honorable Omosede Igbinedion happy well sake of the support wey she see, come thank the Deputy Governor and all the communities wey welcome am. She come talk say the kind alliance she get with Oga Idahosa surprise people, but she believe say na God arrange am. As she dey come back to politics under APC after a long time, she talk say the broom na symbol of progress and e better pass the opposition tattered umbrella. She come talk say the kind unity wey she see now for APC na wetin go bring real change for Ovia.
This time I'm here with the broom. I'm here with the symbol of hope. That is what this stands for. I'm here with the symbol of development. I'm here with the symbol of prosperity. I'm here with the symbol of advancement for the people of Ovia Federal Constituency. This broom is very symbolic. You know that the umbrella is tattered and scattered. And you know that the PDP has sunk. You don't sink finish. Now ship we don't sink. And never to rise again. It's at the bottom of the ocean. When you vote, you expect certain things. If you take time out to be here today, because all of you are busy, some of you are farmers, and you didn't go to your farms today, you dedicated these few hours for us. I want to say I'm grateful to you all. I thank you now, So I don't receive letter or hear from the community. And it's from Uhere ward, so the entire ward. So all the communities that make up Uhere ward. And I want to read the 5 things that you have requested. I'm so happy because I will choose one, Deputy Governor will choose one, and Council Chairman says, so we will divide everything and everything will be done. Okay. So let me just, Your Excellency, permit me to read the requests. You know, this is how I'm going to be speaking for you in the National Assembly, so I'm going to speak with my best English, okay? Because we don't speak in the National Assembly, we don't speak Pidgin English, and we don't speak Yoruba, we speak English. Okay? So, thank you, Your Excellency. I, Honorable Omosede Igbinedion, the next House of Representatives member representing the good people of Ovia Northeast and Ovia Southwest Federal Constituency, wish to read to you the requests of Uhere Ward. Am I permitted, Your Excellency? Yes. Thank you. Okay. Number 1, renovation of primary schools at Abanikaka, Isiuwa, and Uhere communities. Number 2, water borehole at Okokhuo village. Number 3, primary health center at Isiuwa village. Number 4, solar street lights for the following communities: Obazua, Uhere, Osasimoba, Ekwe, Odigwetwe, and Okokhuo. And number 5, investigate the uncompleted electrification project from Okokhuo to Abanikaka and the water project at Odigwetwe. And these are the requests of Uhere. I'm going to end by saying that I formally present this to His Excellency, and then look at how we're going to tackle the various requests that you have raised here.
Edo State Commissioner for Justice Honorable Samson Osaige still adding voice as in yarn the people say this campaign shows say Ovia Northeast don't strong again. He come praise Omosede for how she do before for House of Reps and come beg the people say make them vote for her again. Say she and the Deputy Governor they work now as one, and that kind synergy go help the community well.
Ovia Northeast is very lucky this time around. It's not that we are having a government that is working. We also have our own son, capable son, Dennis Idahosa, as the Deputy Governor. Are you happy? dey jealous now. Because of that one, I want make all of una vote, make one not come out that day. Isiuwa word, me I get root here, if I not say I won't there from come. If I come out for Sasimamba, I don't enter here. I'm always in NIFOR. Because I get interest here well. So I want make all the vote for Isiuwa word, make them go to APC.
The campaign waka end with courtesy visit to Honorable Etiosa Ighodaro House for Iyowa community to show say the campaign dey about unity, respect, and also to ginger all the local leaders to work together.
In my elder brother's residence, Honorable Etiosa Ighodaro, he has been in APC before a long time ago, and there was a party chairman of our great party in Ovia Northeast local government in 2019. Unfortunately, he went outside to go and try to get some of the stolen stuff. Unfortunately, he couldn't get it. The previous government played him some wayo. And now we are here today by the grace of God because he has made up his mind to deliver Omosede Igbinedion. And by the grace of God, he's going to speak by himself. And we are convinced that with his capacity, Adala word is 100%. So my leader, thank you very much for hosting us today, your house. And we met earlier. You have given me the assurances that you and your entire team, in no distant time, in the next few days, will be joining All Progressive Congress.
I don't hide my identity, and I will never hide my identity. Few days ago, my leader, Chief Lucky Maswen, called me and said, "What are you waiting for?" I said, "I'm on my way." Then my great brother, Prince Agedo, is my brother. Prince Agedo have been coming to my house every day. I told him I'm going to come. There is no two ways about it. By the special grace of God, today I was invited to the house of Pastor Isiuwa, the Excellency mentors there, and I told him, by the special grace of God, on Sunday, I'm going to officially decamp to APC. And I want to assure my sister, Honorable Gabriela Omosede Igbinedion, Okokhuo Igbira, Ogaye Seti, Osano Uhere, any vote from Isiuwa unit, we have 4 units here. If any other party, I'm saying it, if any other party have 5, I will quit politics. It's a promise. I have said it. I'm not going back. Okuma mo divine no man say. Ibe pa ya dan eki are ebo eki anima ekodori ano. So I have to come back home for the border for me a day. The river nigga so Your Excellency, you are welcome. The former Deputy Governor, my father, my senior brother, you are welcome. My colleagues, I was once a first man, and I respect uniform men. So you are all welcome. The members of the press, I can see my younger brother there, Ojo. You are welcome, and every other person present here. My great brother, Ibie. So don't be angry, I don't mention your name. So I am back to APC. So Kahwekwa, Imaya Hega Duiko Kube, Imaya Hega Weni Kube, the same trainer we are going to, by the special grace of God. Omosede is just carry go. We are waiting for presidential election. House of Senate, House of Rep, we are waiting for them. For that of the governorship election, only Uhere. Yes. This time around, we want to tell the people of Edo State that Edo South, we own the number, we have the number, and we will always deliver the number by the special grace of God.
We're here to bring home one of our fathers, our leaders. Someone with a track record that has never failed. He says what he can do and he does what he says. And to that, it's a huge plus and a complete minus to the other side. As you know, PDP is a ship that has sunk. It has sunk further than the Titanic, and it will never be able to be excavated from the depths of the ocean that it has plunged to again. And I'm so happy that you have seen the direction, because, you know, with the close lettering, one could mistake APC for ADC. That's why they went to go and choose a party so similar to us. But the broom is our characteristic and it's our symbol, and it is a very clear symbol. And that broom of prosperity, that broom of hope, that broom of transformation, that broom of progress, today, once more, you're holding that broom. And that broom is a light. It's a broom that is lit up for everyone to see in Nigeria, that this is the direction that we should all be following. So I want to thank you and say it's a huge plus to have you, because I know that your reach as a former chairman of the local government is not just limited. And please, I don't want you to limit yourself at all. Know that you know what to do, you know what to do best. So please reach out across the entire constituency, from Ovia Northeast to Ovia Southwest, as I know you can do. And please, you know you can call on me morning, noon, and night. Thank you so much. Welcome back home. May God bless you.
As everybody they count down to the by-election, APC campaign for Uhere, Isiuwa, NIFOR community, Okokhuo and Isiuwa communities, they pass one strong message where we say make people unite, show face to vote and deliver results. With APC leaders and people where they mobilize for grassroots level working together, all eyes don't focus on August 16, where plenty people believe say fit be turning point for Ovia politics. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not the take blame. A Kata Ojesoli, TMC News.